When I first looked at FiiO FB1, I knew that I had to get my hands on it. Because FiiO is an audiophile-centric brand who makes some of the best wired earphones. So I assumed that their wireless entry is also going to perform well. And I was mostly right. Hey guys, I am Siddharth and this is FiiO FB1 review. In the box, you get this really nice carrying case. This is my favorite part of this product. It is soft, cushioned, cute, compact and feels great in hand. You also have the charging cable along with different sizes of ear tips and wing tips. The design of FB1 is fine. The earbuds of course stand out the most as they are quite big and a little oddly shaped. Still, I think that this kind of design has been handled well by FiiO and this looks quite decent with this subtle chrome accent on a completely white shell. The wire isn't very thick, but it doesn't feel fragile either, and you can adjust the length with this partially detachable clip that can also be used to secure it around your neck. FiiO says that the FB1 has a nano coating that keeps it from getting dirty. Now that's all marketing, but I did do my aloo ki sabzi test by intentionally eating Indian food with these, which can stain everything that you touch, and this did not get stains for the most part, but this small rubber piece did get a bit yellowish. So I would say that the white color shouldn't be a concern if you are planning to buy this. The central plastic part containing all the components and buttons feels rather cheap. The buttons aren't individually socketed but have this rubber strip with raised points which you have to press to activate the buttons underneath. This doesn't feel great but it works fine. Because of this rubber strip, the light is also diffused which doesn't look great to me. These buttons can be used to power on, play, pause and change tracks. And the center button also allows you to accidentally call your friends at 3 AM. It has these odd looking wingtips that hold the large earbuds in your ear, and while these can be removed, doing that may make these fall from your ear. For my ears, the medium wingtip doesn't work at all and the large wingtip is a little too big. So comfort for me was not that great until I just used these with the wingtips removed, but if you can get a nice fit, I think you will be able to comfortably wear these for a few hours. I also tested these at gym and they work fine and stay in your ears, but they don't have the best isolation, so keep that in mind in case your gym also plays music very loudly. This uses Bluetooth 4.1 with aptX, so the connection is high quality. The range is good, but if you get more than one wall in between, you could face some issues. And while I did not face issues with my Bluetooth receiver on PC, with my TV and phone the range was not as good. The battery life is around 8 hours, which is good, and you can charge it with the micro USB cable in 2 hours. And this is how the microphone sounds. It's not that great, but this is fine for calls, and I'll just speak one more sentence so you can get an idea of the quality. Coming to the sound quality, I have to say that you are getting a lot for the price. I was expecting a balanced sound signature from FiiO, and it is great to see that I was right. The soundstage on these is surprisingly wide. Maybe because how the drivers are positioned, and with just the right amount of treble, the imaging is also really great, and I was pleasantly surprised by how good and balanced these sound. Sometimes you get this really great separation between instruments that is difficult to find even on more expensive wireless earphones. Coming to the low end, you can get a good amount of bass from these, but you have to position these in a really particular way, because they are not easy to get deep into your ears because of their shape. So you have to achieve the seal that is needed to get good bass, otherwise it feels like the bass is lacking. When you are able to get a proper fit with these, the bass is great. There isn't a lot of detail or definition in the bass, but again for the price it is really good. And the mids and the highs are just on a next level. Now there is some easily audible hiss when you stop the audio that goes away after a few seconds of not playing anything, but I couldn't notice it while the audio was playing, so it doesn't bother me. So these earphones perform well for all genres of music. Classical music and vocals will sound really great on these, and electronic music can sound great too as long as you are able to achieve a proper and sealed fit in your ears. So in conclusion, these earphones sound really good for the price. They look good and function well. The things that I don't like that much is the form factor and the overall build, but sound is the most important factor for me when it comes to audio gear, and these do deliver very well in that area. So that was it for this video. You can buy these or check the updated price from my affiliate links in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel with bell icon for more videos like this. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.